Investing in real estate has always been an excellent way to make money. Even if you're starting with the right knowledge, it can offer great opportunities. In 2024, investing is serious stuff. No need to wait for a recession. Whether thinking about your first property or wanting to grow what you have, understanding the basics is super important in the ever-changing real estate world. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 10 essential tips for beginner real estate investors, giving you a quick look at the important things you need to know. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Finance Hub, and hit the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. 1. Start with a clear investment strategy. Starting a real estate investment needs a strong base. First, set your goals and think about how much risk you're comfortable with. Create a clear plan that matches your goals. Decide if you like houses or business spaces and want to rent for a long time or flip quickly. This plan will be like your guide, helping you make smart choices and keeping you on track. It stops you from getting off course. Warren Buffett, a famous investor, also says having a clear plan is super important. He advises focusing on long-term value, staying informed, and being patient. So, make sure your plan is clear and stick to it for a successful investment journey. 2. Research local real estate markets. To succeed in real estate, diving into local market details is crucial. Different places have different property scenes, so it's essential to study your local market thoroughly. Look at property values, how much people pay for rent, and how many places are empty. This info is super important. When you understand what's happening in your target area, you can spot points where things are getting better. This helps you make smart choices about where to invest. Doing this research gives you the upper hand. You can make choices that bring in the most profit. Warren Buffett also says it's smart to focus on understanding things for the long term. So, be patient and learn about your local real estate scene for a successful investment journey. 3. Analyze investment potential. Before jumping into real estate, checking the numbers is super important. You want to do a deep dive into the money stuff. Look at potential cash coming in, how much you might make compared to your investment, ROI, and other money measures. Include property taxes, insurance, costs for keeping things in good shape, and how much rent you might get. This detailed look helps decide if a property is worth your time and money. You're like a money detective figuring out if it's a good deal. Warren Buffett also suggests being careful with the numbers. He likes businesses that make a lot of money and wait for good deals. So, make sure to be a money detective and crunch the numbers for a successful real estate journey. 4. Build a reliable network. Creating a solid network is important for real estate success. You need to connect with people like real estate agents, those who take care of properties, those who lend money, and other investors. To do this, go to events related to real estate, join online groups, and talk to people. Doing this lets you grow your network and learn from experienced people. They can tell you smart things and even team up with you on deals that are only sometimes known. So, make sure you meet and connect with different folks in the real estate world for valuable insights and better chances of success. 5. Secure adequate financing. Getting the right money is a big deal in real estate. You need to know different ways to get cash, like regular bank loans, borrowing from private individuals, or teaming up with others. Figure out how much money you have and how much you can borrow to pick the best way to finance your plans. It's like making a money plan. Also, make sure your credit history is good because it can help you get better loan terms. Warren Buffett, who's super smart with money, says understanding your financing is crucial. He looks for good deals, and having the right money helps. So do your homework on financing options, plan your money well, and keep your credit in good shape for a successful start in real estate. 6. Perform due diligence. Before you make any big real estate moves, it's super important to do your homework. Here's a step-by-step guide. Thorough check. Look into every detail. Check out the property, go through important papers, and double-check all money matters. Professional help. Get experts involved, like real estate lawyers and inspectors. They'll help spot any problems or warning signs you might miss. Being careful in your research helps you avoid surprises and keeps your investment safe. Warren Buffett, a money expert, also talks about being careful. He's all about knowing what you're getting into. 7. Mitigate risk with diversification. Making smart choices in real estate is like having a safety net. Diversification is crucial. Instead of putting all your money in one place, think about spreading it out. You can invest in different kinds of properties in various spots or use different strategies. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. This way, if one part of your investment isn't doing well, the others can still balance things. Diversifying helps guard against ups and downs in the market, keeping your investment safer. 8. Stay informed and adapt. In the ever-changing world of real estate, staying updated is key. Keep an eye on what's happening. Know the trends, any new rules, and how the economy is doing. Read books, listen to podcasts, take courses, and attend events to keep learning. Being flexible and ready to take action helps you make smart choices and grab new chances. 9. Leverage technology and data. In today's digital age, tech and data are your pals in real estate. Use online tools, data analysis, and investment software to make your research and management more effortless. These tools give you smart info, handle repetitive tasks, and make your investment game more efficient. Stay informed, be adaptable, and use tech for a successful real estate journey. 10. Learn from mistakes. In the learning journey of real estate investing, making mistakes is normal. Treat them like lessons that help you grow. Think about what went wrong, adjust your plans, and learn from it. Get experienced mentors who can share their wisdom and support you. Conclusion. In conclusion, real estate can be great, but it needs careful thinking, research, and the ability to change plans. These 10 tips are a solid start. Define your strategy, check the market, analyze your options, build a good network, get the right money, do thorough checks, diversify, stay updated, use tech, and learn from errors. With these ideas, you can confidently navigate real estate and find good chances. What is the next topic you'd like us to dive into? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Finance Hub, and hit the bell icon. This way, you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. Stay informed, stay connected, and happy investing.